Hi guys, it's Paige. Today we are reviewing the vocabulary for Unit 8. So first we are going to talk about different countries in the world, and then we are going to talk about describing people. So first you have to repeat after me when I say the name of this country. Ready to get started? Let's go! Our first country in North America is the United States of America. Repeat the name. Yep, great job. This is the flag of the United States. Next, in Europe, is France. And this is the flag of France. Our third country is Peru. Peru is in South America, and this is the flag. Next is China. China is in Asia, and this is the flag of China. In North America, this is Canada, and this is the flag of Canada. This country is India. India is in Asia, and this is the flag of India. And this country is Australia. Can you say Australia? It's in Oceania, and this is their flag. In North America, this is Mexico, and this is the flag of Mexico. And this country is Kenya. Kenya is in Africa, and this is the flag of Kenya. Wow, that's a lot of information. So now we are going to talk about how to describe yourself, your personal descriptions. Okay, let's talk about hair. Hair can be straight or curly. Can you repeat that after me? Straight and curly. Hair can also be long or short. Repeat those again with me. Long, short. And hair can be 4 colors. You can have black hair, brown hair, red hair, or blonde hair. Can you repeat that with me? Black, brown, red, and blonde. When we talk about people, it's important to describe the color of their eyes. So people can have eyes that are blue, black, green, or brown. Can you repeat that? Blue, black, green, and brown. And if you want to add more description, you can also say light or dark. If it's very light, almost white, or if it's dark, like black. Okay, are you ready to describe some people? Let's look at the pictures. Our first person is Ashay. He is from India, and he has short black hair and dark brown eyes. Can you repeat after me? Ashay has short black hair and dark brown eyes. Okay, ready for the next one? This is Lila. Lila is from France. She has green eyes and curly brown hair. Can you repeat that? Lila has green eyes and curly brown hair. This little boy is Peter from Canada. Peter has straight blonde hair and blue eyes. Can you repeat that? Peter has straight blonde hair and blue eyes. This is McKenna from Kenya. She has curly, short, black hair and black eyes. Can you repeat that? McKenna has curly, short, black hair and black eyes. And our last picture, this is my friend Allison and I. We are from the United States. Allison has curly blonde hair and light blue eyes. I have curly brown hair and brown eyes. Can you repeat that? First, Allison has curly blonde hair and blue eyes. Now me. Paige has curly brown hair and brown eyes. Okay, now can you describe yourself? First, what country are you from? What country are you from? And what about your hair? Have you got long hair or short hair? And have you got curly hair or straight hair? And what color is your hair? Is it red, blonde, brown, or black? And what about your eyes? What color are your eyes? Are they black, blue, green, brown? And are they light or dark? Now, can you put all that information together in a full sentence? For example, if I were to describe myself, I would say, I am from the United States. I have long, curly, brown hair. And I have dark brown eyes. Can you do that for yourself? Thank you for playing along with me. Great job reviewing. And keep using this vocabulary to describe all of your family and friends. Bye-bye.